Hi, this is Rob. The Tineco iFLOOR3 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This is a combination of a vacuum and mop all rolled into one. The iFLOOR3 is like an electric mop that you don't have to sweep before using, since it is also a vacuum. Or you can also think of it as a carpet cleaner for hard floors, sealed, even, level hard floors such as hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, marble, and linoleum. In this video I will cover what you get in the box, the parts of this wet dry vacuum cleaner, how to use this vacuum, and how to use the self-cleaning function on this vacuum. So what do you get in the box? The main body of the vacuum itself, a charging storage dock, a brush roller, a 3-in-1 cleaning tool, a HEPA filter, and a bottle of Tineco deodorizing and cleaning solution. The parts of the iFLOOR3. The charging storage dock. This is how you recharge the vacuum's battery. When you take the vacuum out of the box, it should have a half charge. A half charge is enough to test it out, but to really use it, you want a full charge. A full charge will give you about 25 minutes of vacuum time. Here's where you can put the 3-in-1 tool and an extra brush roller. Place an extra HEPA filter here. The two most important parts of this vacuum is the clean water tank and the dirty water tank. The clean water tank is where you put some cleaning solution and tap water. The dirty water tank is where all the stuff from the floor gets sucked up into. The brush roller goes in here. You may want to buy an extra brush roller down the road. The HEPA filter goes on top of the dirty water tank. The digital display. These icons will light up to inform you of what's going on with the vacuum. The battery level indicator. 3 bars is full power, 2 bars is medium power, and 1 bar is low power. 1 bar and blinking means to recharge the battery now. The brush roller indicator. If this icon is on and blinking, it means that either the brush roller is not installed or the brush roller is tangled, it cannot spin properly. The dirty water tank indicator. If this icon is on and blinking, it means that the dirty water tank is full or has a blockage. The clean water tank indicator. If this icon is on and blinking, it means that the clean water tank is empty. To continue using the vacuum, put more solution and water into the clean water tank. The self-cleaning indicator. If this icon is on and blinking, it means that the vacuum needs to go through a self-cleaning cycle, which I will explain later. The max power indicator. I will explain max power. This vacuum only has 3 control buttons on the handle. The power on-off button, the self-cleaning button, and the max echo button. This vacuum has 2 speeds for the brush roller, a normal speed, which is echo, and a faster speed, which is max. Every time you start the vacuum, the default speed is echo or normal. Press the max echo button to have the brush roller spin faster if you have a tougher mess to clean. So when the max speed is engaged, this icon will light up. How do you use the iFLOOR3? First, take out the clean water tank. Put a cap full of Tineco cleaning solution in it, then fill the clean water tank with tap water to the max fill line. Make sure the dirty water tank is clean and empty because this is where all the stuff you vacuum up will go into. Now press the power button to begin vacuuming. The vacuum has a self-propelled motor that guides the vacuum across the floor with no effort. The dynamic motor and the brush roller mops and vacuums the floor, leaving them clean and dry in 1 or 2 passes. After you finish cleaning the floor, you need to empty the dirty water tank and clean it with the 3-in-1 tool. Also clean the HEPA filter that is on top of the dirty water tank. If needed, take out and clean the brush roller with the 3-in-1 tool. The bladed end of the tool helps to remove hair and debris that is wrapped around the brush roller. After cleaning, place the vacuum back on the charging storage dock so that the vacuum can recharge. How to do a self-cleaning. If the self-cleaning icon is on and blinking, do a self-cleaning cycle. Make sure that the dirty water tank is already clean before you do a self-cleaning cycle. Then fill the clean water tank to at least 40% or more with tap water and a cap full of Tineco cleaning solution. Place the vacuum back in the charging storage dock and press the self-cleaning button on the handle to start the self-cleaning cycle. After the self-cleaning cycle ends, empty and clean the dirty water tank. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this wet dry vacuum cleaner.